No. Oh. That's how I get ready in under 5 minutes. Howdy. Today we have a special day lined up. We have a lot of cool stuff we're gonna do. I know what the title of the video says, but there's more. Clap. Thank you, thank you. First we're gonna go to the doctor's and do this physical. Yeah, you take some blood.
Don't you dare close your eye.
This warrior boy starts school tomorrow. How do you feel? No, you don't. All right, boy, let me see that. Ooh, boy got the HPV vaccine today. How do you feel?
Good, actually.
Great. Doctor's part 2, because they didn't have blood work at my original doctor. Gosh, dang it. Finally, I can eat. Time to switch attires. All right, it's time to have some fun, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Aloha. Hey, it's my sister. We are ready to enter the wave pool. Fun times at the pool. Well, actually, we're in the lazy river. If you splash my phone, I break your neck. Hey, come here. Gang, where's Isaac? He's drowning. Okay, sisters, it is time to grub. Is that right, Bia? Time to grub? Is it time? Are you saying yes or no? I can't tell. Yes? All right. Very cool. Lunch time. We got that Dr. Pepper, and we also got that brisket sandwich and barbecue chips. Football time. Oh, reserved for white people. Adios, amigo. We just got back from Hawaiian Falls, and I just took a shower, so we're not done though. I'm gonna do one more thing for y'all. I got something else for y'all. So in the meantime, I got a couple hours to burn. Okay, here we go. Come on, follow me, Isaac. There's a baby bird under the car and it's lost. Come on, let's go.
Oh my god.
It's gonna try to bite.
Far away.
Oh.
Whoa.
See it. Quick. Look, it's okay. It's all right. I hope the mom can find it. All right. I'm at my friend's house, my Baylor friends. We're staying connected, you know what I mean? We about to go watch The Bachelor in Paradise. Look, honestly, The Bachelorette and Bachelor in Paradise, it's a great show. Y'all should watch that show. Like, those shows, plural. Not just one, but the other ones. You already know, with the homie Noah from Baylor Line Camp, some salad and, what was it again?
Chicken Alfredo.
Oh yeah, that's right. I got some too. But I had to vlog this real quick, so Gang, gang. Okay, I gotta say bye to the homies. And Kate, an honorary brother.
Bros!
Literally, we move into Baylor 7-11 days, dude.
Woo! Sicko!
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 I did the wrong arm. Before we lead to the end of the video, nice little piano and all that, I have to give a small update about the birds. So, I did a little research, right? And I saw that the mama bird might diss the baby birds because it feels like they're ready to take on the world and all that. I don't think those birds are ready, but they're not dead. They're still chilling. They're still outside the house. I can hear them chirping sometimes. Luckily, nothing happened to them, and I think they'll be okay. I'll keep checking up on them and all that good stuff, cause you know, Papa Bird instincts. I just wanted to let y'all know before y'all like came after me for being a animal abuser. I was mowing, and I saw me and my dad. We saw the birds. I really wanted to help them. Otherwise, I would have just left them in the sun. I even gave some water. Anyways, to the ending. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you feel very inclined to, don't forget to hit that bell so you can get some post notifications, you know what I mean? And also, one more thing, follow my TikTok because, you know, I'm a really funny guy. And, you know, I'm trying to get more followers and likes and all that. So, you know, support your boy. Love y'all. Have a great rest of your day.